millions of people could see their DNA sold to the highest bidder.
What does DNA even stand for anyway?
Because the tech company that pioneered genetic testing at home is going bankrupt.
You're here to understand what 23andMe is all about.
A potential sale with all its data. Families may not want their DNA along for the ride.
We got the happy moment where grandma found out what her ancestry was and she's happy. And that data needs to be used for absolutely nothing else. And I want to make sure of that.
Her family ended up using a competitor. But for customers who do use 23andMe, warnings from government officials in New York State and California telling them to delete their profiles right away. The concern, if the company is sold, there's no saying who might buy it.
If it was to be commercially sold to, say, an insurance company, who then chose to use information on that, maybe you're predisposed to some sort of, disease that they're choosing then not to cover you, and you'll have no idea why.
And Canadian law may not be very helpful.
There's nothing that would stop them from selling this data on as part of a sale of the overall business. That's not going to require any consent or notice to the individuals.
Most privacy laws were written decades before companies could keep your DNA stored on a computer.
Legislation, both in the U.S. and in Canada, is not yet mature enough in this field to be able to protect consumers, I think, adequately.
23andMe says privacy is an important consideration and that customers can still delete their data. Many lawyers and tech experts say they should do just that. Anis Haidari, CBC News, Calgary.